Hey everyone, welcome and thank you very much for joining me here on IPO Market Watch. And no, I am not filming from my closet. I got a comment the other day in one of my videos, and the person asked, "Are you filming from your closet?" How in the world? Like, I don't know. I've never seen a closet that has this or that lighting going on, and I don't know, whatever. So with that out of the way, you can ask me, by the way, any question you want. Feel free. It doesn't have to be about stocks. You can ask me if I'm filming from my closet. There's no problem. This video is going to be very cool. I have some really good information. I like the information, personally speaking, for me, and I'm just going to share it with you guys and tell you the reasons why I think this information is very important, why I think that multiple stocks that I'm going to talk about in this video are going to go higher. Just my opinion, doesn't mean they will. MTRX, guys, is something that I had talked about in late 2024, November 12, 2024, in my Discord, and I told everyone that I will buy it at 1283. I updated it on January 17, so I sold it at 1470. So we went from 1283 to 1470. It's at 1480, 1488 now, so it's gone up even higher. I feel that I'm going to look back 2 years and say, why in the world did I sell this stock?
Yes.
Moderna, it's happening.
He sold. Pump it.
I'm mentioning this because I'm going to have a separate full video analysis on this company that you might want to check out. I don't own the shares anymore, so I feel very comfortable doing a full review video on it. Now keep this news in mind that I'm going to show you right now. US awards $590 million to Moderna for mRNA pandemic influenza vaccine development. This was posted on January 18, 2025, when the markets open again. 4 a.m. New York Eastern Time. If you have access to pre-market trading, if you do, Webull, for example, offers at 4 a.m. in the morning. I think the ticker symbol mRNA will go higher. It might even actually open straight up higher at 4 a.m. in the morning. But that's just my opinion. This is a stock that for the past 1 year is down 66, nearly 67%. And I think the stock is undervalued, in my opinion. Sure, they have some financial things they need to sort out, but $600 million announced today, right? So when the market opens, I think it's going to go up way higher than what it ended. It closed in the after hours at 35.60, so it's already showing signs that it's going to go up. This is just my opinion. Doesn't mean that I'll be 100% right. The other thing is 4 days ago over on my X platform, if you want to follow me, 4 days ago, I posted this and I said that there were rumors about the new upcoming Microsoft Business laptops and that they would probably feature Intel's LUNR chip. That's big news, but not life-saving for Intel in any way, shape, or form. This is when I posted the news. That was the day I posted the news. Today, 4 days later, where did the Intel go? Way up. But did it go up because of this? No, obviously. Intel went up because there is speculation, rumors, right? There are rumors out there, it's getting serious, that Intel may be acquired full, or Intel may sell big chunks of its business, right? Either way, shareholders of Intel who have been in the Intel stock from 19, 20, 21, I think they're going to benefit. There's something brewing because last year in September, if you remember, Qualcomm made a try. They tried their best to acquire all of Intel, not just parts of it, but all of it, right? So it's resurfacing again. Something's going to happen. Let's go on to the next stock. Guys, I did a YouTube video, which was my last video. The most recent YouTube video I had done was for Flowco Holdings Corporation, ticker symbol FLOC. This is the screenshot of the video. At that time, we were just days away from FLOC going public. So when I made that video, FLOC was not publicly traded. And I said that it was available for pre-order, which means that if you had watched my video and you did your own due diligence, you did your own homework, and you wanted to buy FLOC, you could have pre-ordered, you could have pre-bought it before it went public at 21 to 23 max US dollars. FLOC right now is at $30.48. cents. Let's move on to some other big news that we all should keep our eyes on. I know I will. This is huge. This is really huge. One of our members on the Discord posted this, and I thank them very much for this. They posted the news that Anduril founder is building a new plant in Ohio and an IPO.
So what's so fascinating to me about Anduril is that software company within hardware. You're doing both, and you sort of have a different business model in terms of how you approach development and then selling those products to DoD and elsewhere.
That's right. The traditional defense industry is built around exquisite systems. You know, they're building multi-$100-million fighter planes, bombers, multi-billion-dollar aircraft carriers. And our goal at Anduril is to really focus on how can we build a software-defined architecture in manufacturing as well as in our products, so that we can move really quickly to change course when we need to change course to be able to manufacture in a modular sense.
So this is definitely an IPO I'm looking forward to. It's coming in 2025 most likely, and I think it's going to do very well. I think it's going to do very, very well. This is going to be a very popular IPO, and the stock will perform very well. This is just my opinion, so I'm very looking forward to that. Now let's move on to the final stock. It's a stock that's around $3, and I believe that this stock is going to be eventually at $6 US, $5. Those are huge gains, right? And I've already shared this stock with you guys at a much lower price, and it's already up, right? And we're not done with this. Talkspace Incorporation, this is the YouTube video I had done for you guys, and I posted this YouTube video. Many of you watched it. Poised for high growth ahead. That was the title of the video. Here's a screenshot. Talkspace at that time was at $2.38. If you're in my Discord, we talked about Talkspace at $2. But either way, whether you were in the Discord for $2 to learn about the stock or YouTube at $2.38, doesn't matter. Right now the stock is at $3, but either way you're up still, right? It's at $3. But I think the stock is not done. I'm still sticking to what I had said originally from the beginning, that this my price target for the stock is $5 to $6 US. They have some news recently that came out, so let's look at that. The one is that Talkspace launches AI-powered insights for therapeutic care. By the way, I'm not going to explain too much about Talkspace in this video. You can watch my prior YouTube video where I fully analyzed and talked about who they are. But more importantly is what they said 2 days ago, and that is that Talkspace reiterates their 2024 revenue guidance and 3-year outlook. So they said again, they stated this 2 days ago, that we are maintaining our 2024 revenue guidance of $185 to $195 million, and also their 3-year outlook is for compound annual growth rate of 20 to 25% each year. 3-year outlook. Compound annual growth rate, 20 to 25%. Right? And the company is already headed for profitability, and they have nearly no debt. They did a partnership with Amazon. And with schools, over 500,000 teens have Talkspace free through their city schools. So like I said, the behavioral health market is massive and dramatically undeserved, and Talkspace is the most well-recognized coverage-focused brand. So to conclude this video and summarize it for you, I think the ticker symbol MTRX, I sold that early. Keep an eye on Moderna, ticker symbol MRNA, the $600 million contract that was announced today. Intel, keep an eye on that. There's something brewing with Intel. And as for Flowco Holdings, those who got in early, hey, congratulations. I would probably take profits if I were you. The Anduril IPO is going to be one of the most successful IPOs of 2025 if it goes public as they say that they are. So that's going to be awesome. And my update on Talkspace, which I think is still on the right path. Like I said, if you were in the Discord or you had watched my YouTube video, we're up. We're still up, and there's plenty of growth still for the company and the stock. With that being said, don't ever, I don't care what you say in the comment section below, because somebody told me, well, what's the point of watching your YouTube videos if you're going to tell me at the end, don't invest according to my videos? Yeah, don't invest according to my videos at all in any way, shape, or form. Do your own due diligence. Use that brain that you got in there. I'm not your financial advisor. I wasn't born to tell you what to do, right? No, okay. So do your own due diligence. I know you can do it. I know you can make decisions for yourself. I am sharing information that, it has to do with me personally speaking, and I could be wrong. But I do thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and join my Discord if you want, right? If you want. The link will be in the description of the video below. And I wish you guys all the best. Take care.